She likes the sound of the crinkly bag. She likes the bag sound. Can you crinkle it? She likes the sound of the bag. Eloise! Oh, honey, no! Ow. No! Don't put anything in her mouth. She likes the sound of the bag. Ew! Do not spit those out in the bag. Oh my goodness. Alright.